Hi guys, thank you for choosing this video. Today we are going to check the noise insulation of BMW X1 25e and compare it with competition. This is the real world test. So the tire type Michelin Pilot Sport 4 2025/45R19 profile, and the rims design you can see on the video is 19-inch alloy wheels, double spoke style, 816 B color, and the body, if you want to see, is the M Sport, but on the standard you get 18 rims for the M package, and for the baseline you have 17-inch rims, and we are on summer tires. On the screen you can see the label, which is the A-class fuel consumption, B-class rain, grip on the rain, B-class for a noise 71 decibels. But we will see how it goes on the road, testing it on motorway, driving 90, 100 and 110 kilometers per hour. Today is a little bit drizzle, wind 24 kilometers per hour, a little bit more sometimes. So yeah, let's try and see how it goes. Why noise insulation is important? Because this is like a comfort feature, like having a quiet car while driving. We can drive or travel for a longer distance, in my opinion, of course, but you don't have to agree. If not, please let me know in the comments down below what you think about noise insulation. Now we are going to test the noise insulation. You can see on the screen the noise insulation and you can make up your mind. Hundred, $110. So the conclusion is that this vehicle is like in the middle in spec regarding all vehicles I have tested so far, but considering this is like the price range of the crossover SUVs or small SUVs, this is one of the best car with noise insulation. And in addition, if we take a look at the 110 kilometers per hour noise insulation, then you can see the score is very good. So it's just a little bit worse than BMW X5, which is way more expensive. So in that in mind, thank you for watching. I hope you like it, and see you in the next video.